Did you know that over 2 billion users are tuning into YouTube every month? That's a huge audience waiting for fresh content. So, let's kickstart your YouTube journey. First, create a Google account if you don't have one. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture and navigate to Settings. Here, select Add or Manage your channel and hit Create a new channel. Choose a name that reflects your content. This is your brand. Next, let's customize. Upload a compelling channel icon and design a banner that captures your theme. Don't forget the About section. Share what your viewers can expect and encourage them to subscribe. Now, identify your niche. What are you passionate about? Do your research on trends to inspire your first video. Script it out, gather some basic equipment, and find a quiet, well-lit spot to record. Once you've filmed, it's time to edit. Use editing software to tighten your footage. Finally, upload it to YouTube, create an eye-catching thumbnail, and hit publish. Engage with your audience and enjoy the journey.